Okay, so you are in Cricut Design Space and you have your 4 cards template. First, we are going to minimize it to 50% so we can see all of it in the center. We'll just drag it down. And the first thing over on the right hand side, you see your list of items and we have to ungroup it. And I am going to show you a bit of a shortcut. It's not too drastic, but what you can do to make all of these sentiments a draw so that you can write with the pen in your Cricut. You can click on each one while you're holding the Shift key. Let's go down to find the next one. There's a sentiment. Keep scrolling and looking for your sentiments and click on each one of your sentiments. And that should be all of them. Now we can go right to up here, the left-hand corner, and change that from cut to draw. And that will change all of your sentiments to draw. Now we still have to attach them to each backing. So I'm going to go back up to the top and click on the very first sentiment. It's already highlighted. And I am going to unhighlight the rest of those by just clicking and keeping the first one highlighted. And the box below it is the backing for the sentiment, and I need to attach it to that. Both of those are highlighted, and I'm going to click attach. And so I need to do that with all of my sentiments. You can either just click on your sentiment, or you can find it in your list. And both of these are highlighted now, so I just need to hit attach. And over here to this sentiment and the backing, they're both highlighted and attach. And again for this sentiment and backing, they're both highlighted and attach. And that is all there is to it. You can hit the Make It button and you are ready to cut at this point. If you want to change any of these colors, you can easily do that by just clicking on whichever piece you want to change the color of, and it will automatically be highlighted on your list. You can go up here to your color box and change the color if you like it. And it will change that piece color. And I'm going to go ahead and change it back because I'm going to use pink for today. But I just wanted to note that it is possible to do that.
So all your pieces are cut, and what you want to do first is match up the backings with these pieces. So let's find the ones. They're all different sizes, so it shouldn't be too hard. And now that these are matched up, we just need to put the adhesive on there. And I'm using a glue stick, or you can use the double-sided tape, which works very well. And the first one I'm doing is Thinking of You. So our accent piece with the backing goes right on the top, and the Thinking of You will be right in the middle. Next is our Thank You, and the accent piece again goes on top, and this gets right in the middle. And for our next one, we are using the Miss You, and it's going to be the shorter, kind of fatter backing and accent piece. And we'll put that right closer to the top, And we have this space right here, and we will put the Miss You right towards the bottom. And last but not least is the Thinking of You, and the accent piece, again, on the side. And right about here. So that fits in the card, on the front of the card. And all of these are blank inside. And you may put whatever sentiment you like in your own handwriting. It's always nice. There are all 4 cards, very simple and very quick. And I will include an envelope template for this listing.